No one's booking. Your phone is silent, and you are starting to wonder whether this cleaning business thing is even worth it or not. Does that sound familiar? Ready to fix it? Let's go. Today I'm going to show you how to dominate your local area, how to get known, how to get paid, and the first target we're going to aim for is £1,000 a week. So this is not about posting leaflets through every door or flyers on every lamppost or begging your friends and family for business just to fill the rota. We're going to talk about modern UK methods that actually work to bring the boys to the yard. So I'm going to walk you through what to fix if nobody's biting at your ads and your leaflets, where you can find your local dream clients, and how to make them choose you and not cheapy McCheapskates down the road that offers their cleaning an extra couple of pounds cheaper than you do. And I've even got you a juicy freebie to tie all of this lesson together, so make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video to find out how you can get that in your life. So step one, let's fix why people aren't biting. Let's be honest, if your phone is not ringing off the hook, it might be time to have a bit of a glow up on your business face. Are you still just messaging, "Hi, I clean houses," or "Hi, I clean offices"? You need a wow bio that stops the scroll. We need to let people know that you are insured, you are trained, and you are trusted by the people that you serve. So, some action tips for you. Firstly, update your Google My Business page. Change it to Domestic Cleaner Telford, Domestic Cleaner Didsbury, Domestic Cleaner St. Ives, wherever you are from and your local town, to make sure that you are targeting down where people are going to find your service. We don't want people finding our service in Edinburgh if we clean down in Slough. Update your Facebook bio and profile, put where you are, make sure all of your links are up to date. On your Instagram bio, make sure that you are putting down the areas that you serve, the services that you provide, and who it is that you help. We are going to dominate our local social media presence. See, here's the thing, you don't need the whole of London, you don't need the whole of Shropshire or Liverpool or Manchester or wherever it is in the area that you serve. You need a 3-mile radius bubble that you concentrate on and you dominate.
This is also a super duper strategy for when you start taking on teams, because you can keep them in that 3-mile bubble around their own postcode so that your travel and mileage bill is a lot less.
So, tasks for you. On the old Facebook, join 5 local groups to you. You will find these by going onto Facebook and putting your local area in the search bar and seeing all the wonderful pages and groups that pop up. So aim to join 5 local groups. Within those 5 local groups, introduce yourself, say the services that you do, the areas that you cover, and who you help. Tell them why you, and not ABC Cleaning down the road. Why should they be using your cleaning service, and what makes you stand out from the gazillions of others that are on Facebook. You could go on Nextdoor and post weekly cleaning tips and offers. You could put an advert on the Gumtree services section and make it keyword rich and friendly.
In a nutshell, keywords just mean the things that you think people will type. So think about yourself. When you go on to Google or Bing or whatever search engine you use, how do you normally typically phrase what it is that you're looking for? Would you put something like how to start a cleaning business? Or would you put start a cleaning business or start a cleaning business in Shrewsbury? Start thinking of those keywords and put those in your adverts, because that is what your audience and your potential clients are going to search.
If you've got a physical presence, start up a Google My Business page. This is completely free, and what it does is it gives you a lovely little pin on the Google map. So when people put in cleaners in Reading near me, it will bring up all of the local people to that area. It'll show them their website, it will show them their reviews, it will show them their latest pictures. You could even try something like Bark. So Bark is normally paid referrals, but it would be worth testing out to see what traction do you get from that, and does that app end up actually paying for itself with the leads that you take on every month. Concentrate on local wins in your 3-mile radius bubble. Show that you are the local go-to for that area. Reply like a human and be conversational. Be helpful with everybody that inquires to you, whether they're going to spend money with you or not. And a bit of a side top tip for you, when I go on quotes, I will take photographs of the road sign or the estate sign that I'm going into. If I'm doing multiple quotes in a day, which is normally how I like to do it so that I'm not wasting my own time and I do back to back to back, I will take pictures wherever I go. I will also put out on my story or on my Twitter or whatever social media I'm using, I'm over in Oswald Street today. If you see the van, give me a beep and a wave. It's just a way of highlighting to people I'm in that area. Some people might think, oh, I didn't even know they covered that area. And it gives you a reason to be posting about your quoting and where you're going. It also gives the appearance that you're super duper busy and that your phone is just ringing off the hook. And humans like to copy other humans for what they think is a good service or a good deal, because they don't like to feel that they're missing out. So document where you're going for quotes. Use it as part of your marketing strategy to let the world know that you're here, there, and everywhere. Okay, so you are looking for some fast traction, need to make some fast cash. Try these strategies and techniques so that you can keep on top of them and you can also see what's working. So try dropping your leaflets, but only drop them in 3 streets. Do this every week. It's cumulative, it will add up, it will pay you back. If you have not collected reviews in the past or you don't have many, consider contacting current clients and even past clients and asking them to give you a little review. For those that give you a review, you could send them a £5 Costa voucher, or if you have no budget to spend at the moment, you could put, for every person that gives you a review, you will put them into a prize draw to win a free clean once a month. Start to share more than just before and after pictures. Yes, I absolutely love a clean shower screen. I love a shiny tap. You can woo me with a sparkling shower trap. But these are not the only things that we do within a cleaning business. So try maybe doing some behind the scenes footage. You could make a reel of how I clean a house in 90 minutes without rushing, how I can hit everything in your home with my 10-point checklist. You could do these sort of behind the scenes so people get to see how you work, they get to see your personality. It's something different from the pages after pages of before and after pictures that cleaning businesses posts.
I follow like a bazillion cleaning accounts, and believe me, it's a lot of taps and shower screens.
All of these behind the scenes footage, as well as posting what streets you're quoting on, as well as posting the services that you offer, combined with the before and after pictures, will give your overall audience the perception that you are the expert in your field. And why are they wasting time with all of these other cleaning companies when they could just hire the best? We want our offer to scream value for their money. We do not want our advert to inspire,
yeah, but how much does that cost?
We want it to inspire, please take my money because you are solving all of the problems I have in my home or in my office. So here's a way that you could stand out. Create a first clean experience package. What that could look like is 2 hours of cleaning that you do to a checklist of client requirements. You would include that you use premium products within your cleaning and that you are trained in health and safety, in COSH and in speed cleaning techniques.
And if you're not qualified in any of those things, get qualified in those things. Details below on how you can start to do that.
Offer a small bonus, like you will provide scented bin liners or you will clean their fridge. Do not offer discounts. We are offering bonuses and value add. And if you want to build out this strategy that we've spoken about today, you can download my
Dominate Your Local Area
workbook, and you will find the link to that below. The workbook will talk through the ideas that we spoke about in this video, and it will also give you a tracker so that you can track the actions that you're taking, so we can see what works and what doesn't in your particular business. But more importantly, we are heading towards that £1,000 a week goal. So please tell me in the comments if you've downloaded the workbook and you do work through the exercises, how has it impacted your business? Or you can come and tag me over on Facebook or Instagram. You will find me on all platforms as Made in Business. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications of new videos out every Wednesday. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you spending the time with me. Don't forget to download the workbook and subscribe to the channel. And I'm going to be back here next Wednesday with a brand new video. But until then, you stay sparkling. Bye bye.